If two adjacent vertices of a parallelogram are 3, 2 and -1, 0 and the diagonals intersect at 2, -5, then find the coordinates of the other two vertices. So here it's given parallelogram. I'll consider the parallelogram as ABCD. A, B, C and D. Any two vertices, I can adjacent vertices side by side. So I'll take A as 3, 2, B -1, 0. I need to find C. I'll take it as X, Y. D I'll consider it as A, B. And they told very clearly diagonals intersect at O is the common point, that is 2, -5. As it is a parallelogram, in parallelogram diagonals bisect each other. In a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So clearly midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. So midpoint of A C, that is X, Y, equals, you can write the other ways, you can consider O is the midpoint of AC. Instead of this, midpoint of A and C, midpoint of AC already is given, that is 2, -5. So here midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So midpoint of AC is 2, -5. So I'll do that. 3 plus x by 2, 2 plus y by 2 equals given, that is 2, -5, because diagonals intersected 2, -5. So that will be the midpoint. So now if I equate abscissa with abscissa and ordinate with ordinate, I'll get the values of x and y. 3 plus x by 2 equals 2. 2 plus y by 2 equals -5. So if I'll cross multiply these values, 3 plus x equals 4. So x equals 4 minus 3. X equals 1. The value of x is 1. Now if you'll see y value, like 2 plus y by 2 equals -5. So 2 times 5 is -10. So y is -10 minus 2. The y value is -12. So the vertex C is 1, -12. This is 1. Now midpoint of BD, here I'll do it. Midpoint of BD is 2, -5. So if you'll substitute the values in midpoint form, x1, y1, x2, y2, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 equals 2, -5. Now again here I'll equate abscissa with abscissa. So -1 plus a by 2 is 2. -1 plus a is 4. So a value is here x1 plus x2. Yeah. So -1 plus a by 2 is 4. So a value is 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, which is nothing but 5. and b value, if I do b by 2 is minus 10 minus 5, so b equals 2 into 5, that is 10 minus 10. So the point D is 5 comma minus 10.